Infographic Ukrainian drones attack Russia's Black Sea Fleet headquarters in Crimea. Ukrainian drones reportedly attacked the Black Sea Fleet headquarters in Sevastopol, Crimea, Sunday 31/7/2022. The attack came ahead of Russian Navy Day celebrations in the region. According to local officials, the drone strike injured 5 people. The Crimea also forced the military event since the Crimea was annexed by Russia in 2014. The city of Sevastopol has gained a position as home of the fleet that is part of the Russian Navy.